Hi, today we're going to show you the top 3 best GoPro alternatives. When buying a GoPro alternative, you have to keep a few things in mind. Looking at your budget, video quality, size, the camera's durability, battery status, memory type, and connectivity option. All these aspects are going through your mind when you are buying a GoPro alternative. We established all aspects of 3 action cameras that we thought made the top 3 best GoPro alternatives list. Here is our top GoPro alternative pick. It's the Nikon Key Mission 360 action camera, coming at a price of $496. This action camera weighs in at about 7 ounces and has a 70-minute battery life of video. The Nikon Key Mission 360 has a 360-degree action camera, which is shock-proof, waterproof, and freeze-proof, offering many different Nikon mounts specialized to work in every environment. Also, there is a very easy camera control from compatible smartphones. Last but not least, there's a waterproof capability up to 30 meters or 98 feet. The camera on this product shoots in 4K at 24 frames per second and boasts a 12 megapixel still images. Other shooting options include Full HD at 1080p at 24 frames per second and a 1440 by 960 at 25 and 30 frames per second. The camera uses the advanced Nikon lens and 2 image sensors to stitch together the 360-degree view. In the 1080p video capture, it takes images at 23.9 megapixels. The internal electronic vibration reduction is what gives this camera its detailed, seamless, and steady shots. This camera has a built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. This connection is not only easy to use, it has a few convenient control options within the app. Also, this Nikon camera comes with a 9-product comprehension kit, which includes essential items such as the case for the camera, an additional bonus battery, 64GB SD card, helmet mount, selfie stick, camera and lens cleaning kit, brushes for different kinds of cleaning, and an SD card case. A few additional pluses to the Nikon action camera is that it has a removable battery, so you do not need to worry about running out of battery. Simply pop in your bonus battery. Here we have our second pick, which is the Yi 4K Plus. This sports and action camera comes at a price of $209 and weighs in at 3.4 ounces, which has 70 minutes of 4K video battery life. This action camera is also known as the GoPro Killer, with its Sony IMX377 sensor combined with the Umbrella H2 stock captures phenomenal excellent footage at 4K 60 frames per second, making it the first action camera to ever have 60 frames per second with 4K. It's got a 155-degree wide-angle lens, giving all the users a nice panoramic view, which also has a 2.2-inch Gorilla Glass LCD touchscreen display, which is ultra responsive and offers a great perspective with all user needs, previewing your shots and choosing camera settings. This camera has an EIS, or an electronic image stabilization, at 4K 30 frames per second steadies the action. With live streaming capabilities, you can even capture incredible 12 megapixel stills, processing them in RAW format. Our budget GoPro alternative is the DB Power Action Camera. This camera costs $75 and weighs in at 2.71 ounces and has a 70-minute battery life. The DB Power can record 4K at 24 frames per second and 2.7K at 30 frames per second and 1080p 720p. Some say that the best shooting settings is 1080p at 60 frames per second. The NC can capture sharp images up to 20 megapixels and also offers a 170-degree wide-angle lens that makes sure that the camera captures everything in one take. Camera supports up to 64GB SD cards, but is not included in the regular product purchase. DB Power's N6 action camera isn't waterproof, but it comes with a decent waterproof case that lets you go as far as 30 meters or 90 feet underwater. The DB Power N6, this action camera comes with a variety of GoPro mounts. Also, this camera has a 2.31-inch touchscreen display that is easy to control and change settings within the action camera. Also, with its Sony sensor and a resolution of 20 megapixels, this camera has 7 layers of optical glass lenses, giving it Super B image quality in vivid colors. Also, this camera is remote controllable through the CamKing app, which offers instant photo and video editing through Wi-Fi. The DB Power comes with 2 rechargeable batteries that can function up to 70 minutes of use. Also, the action camera comes with a variety of different mounts and connections to get your impressive footage anywhere. Now that's all we had for our top 3 best GoPro alternatives. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, leave a big thumbs up on the video, turn on post notifications so you are notified when we post our next video. And if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next one.